Alright, okay, so very much so just jumping into this, but this is going to be maybe quite possibly a build that I'm gonna do. Maybe gonna be putting this up. What can I do that? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, okay. But I'm basically just jumping into it. Has a lot that needs to be done. I've had this for a long time, and I've gotten a lot of stuff for it. Like, come on now, no. But I have a lot of the stuff here, and I have a lot of the stuff coming, so I can finally really make some progress with this car. So this is kind of a before look, before I even clean it up, and then we'll show an after of this, I guess. This is just gonna be, at least for right now, or for today, for this whole thing, it's going to be cosmetic only. I do want to get cold air intake put in this, at least do something a little bit more with this exhaust, because it's a little slow. This is a very unorthodox title for every single one of these videos. I realized nobody does the 2.3 4-cylinder builds for this car, and as much as I would love to go ahead and 5.0 swap it, which honestly is very tempting, I don't know, I kind of want to keep the 2.3. I do want to keep this 4-cylinder. Gotta specify that it is a 4-cylinder. It doesn't run very well. Actually it does, honestly. It runs pretty well. But yeah, so this is basically what it's looking like right now. These wheels and tires, they're getting changed. I gotta do all that too. I do have a sander in the back. This whole little bit, it's still like, it's fogged. It looks like I don't know, I forgot what California with all the fires, it's crazy. I just love this car. But yeah, I have a sander in there with grit paper, and I did do the top. Like, it's really loose. Well, not anymore. It was really loose for some time, just because I had done it before, but it didn't have any encapsulator. I do have that now, so I can actually work on it, and we can actually get something done with this. I do have a lot of plans for this build, and honestly, I'm looking forward to it. Most likely am going to, if some of these videos do well, I might actually post these consistently, semi-consistently. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't mind to, just because I'm gonna be doing it anyway. Like, I have a bag full of stuff right there, but I'm gonna be doing this stuff anyway. In the future, I already have one bought, but we might go ahead and just get a completely different kit. I have a turbo waiting for this car, potentially. Maybe that one exactly. I'm looking at other stuff, and I really would love to wait before I put too many performance enhancing parts in here to switch out like a transmission, because I know I'm probably gonna need a T56 to hold the power I'm wanting to give it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for right now. It's gonna be just a few seconds for you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit. If I run into anything, I might go ahead and just stop and show you where I've got to. And yeah, I guess that's it. It's been a long time since I've done the videos. By the way, yes, it's been a long time since I've done any video at all. And it's not gonna be anything that's kind of related to anything I've ever done before. I've made a lot of videos, I've deleted a lot of videos, and I've had videos that for no reason have done well. Let's just hope that this is a video that does well, because I would love to get people who like this car just as much as me. This is honestly the only Mustang I really like, so I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm just gonna get right into it. Here we are. Oh my god, look how, like, you can actually see in there now. You couldn't do that before. That's insane. I wanted to make sure it was pretty thorough with it. Still shiny. That's very much matte. So I wish, I mean, we do have gloss. We might dress it up. Headlights look really nice, actually. Except for these indicators over here on the insides. They're fogged up on the inside, so I can't focus. Yeah, I can't do nothing about the stuff in there, at least for right now. I don't know, because I don't want to have to order everything completely new right now. Honestly, I'm not going to be running these tires or wheels. I don't know if you can see, these are very, very small, but I do have some drag lights that I'm going to be running with these. I just got to get some tires for them, and then we're going to set that up. And that's going to happen sometime soon, but I don't have any setting on this side. Well, I did, but it was kind of falling off. So, man, just look at it. Night and day. I don't have any pictures. I didn't take a picture. But just look at the car, man. I love it so much. It's a beautiful car. It's so beautiful, man. I would love to get hood pins, maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know how I feel about it. But yes, this is what I love. This is what I'm wanting. Because this is a... Okay, thank God. I thought the seats were wet. Because this is such a cult classic car, right? I'm calling for these people, for the people who know this car, for the people who love this car. Help me out, because I'll be honest, I wasn't too much of a car guy until this car came along. Now, all I want to do is mess with this because I love it. This is one of the only cars I actually can say that I would love to own, and I'm surprised I do. I don't even care that it's a 4-cylinder, because eventually we might swap it, maybe, but probably for another 4-cylinder, if I'm being honest. Because I don't know, I like the idea. It's more reliable, first off, but yeah, we have a whole bunch of stuff in here to help clean out. We have our gloss, our that's just some like WD-40 stuff. This right here, that is going to be, yeah, degrease. Yes, we are going to use that for some detailing stuff. This is the main attraction, rust encapsulator. Now this is what I'm going to be using for the stuff on the top, for any of the rust spots. So the wheel weld in the back and the top. I do need an extension cord, and I do not have one right now, to bring it out here where I am, because it is a cord sander. I do have all the paper, sandpaper, and everything else, but right now, I don't know. I'm trying to decide whether I should do something inside the car or not. Alright, so I did think about it, and I found my extension cord, so I'm going to sand this stuff down really fine. That up there too, on the other side, right there on the other side. And I'm gonna try to look for any other spots right now, but other than that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dry this off, because I don't think I have any wet sandpaper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I did find my stand too, so I can actually record me doing it. So there's that, yeah. All right, I guess we'll just get into it then. All right, and now I know I look a little rough. Don't gotta roast me. I need a haircut for sure. But let's just go ahead and get to sanding. I'm hoping this doesn't come unplugged, because it's looking a little loose right now. Okay, alright, so it wasn't recording for a vast majority of it. I thought it was. I didn't pay attention even when I moved positions for the camera. It just wasn't recording. I guess I don't know. So you saw sanding the top of the roof and the wheel over here. Now it's definitely not perfect. I know that. I have to. I'm going to attempt to lightly sand over it with some sandpaper with my hand and try to smooth it out a little bit. And then I want to respray it. I do have to wait an hour though to do that. I was gonna check. I was gonna go ahead and pause it, and I saw that we weren't recording. So obviously I can't go back in time and fix it, but I can show you what progress I did make. Now, I mean, in the right light, you honestly can't even tell that, you know, honestly, obviously you can see it right there. That's pretty obvious from this side, from this angle, with the light acting like it is. Let's see. Okay, and then the back over here, this is what I'm talking about. It's dry to the touch right now, but they said you need to wait 20 minutes for it to be dry to the touch, which it is. But yeah, I'm gonna lightly go over these rough spots and the rough spots over on this side. I don't remember if I showed you guys or not. Probably get a better angle. The exposure will be nice and good for me. Thank you very much. Okay, man. So windows got done, and I did use some interior, I forgot what it was called. I did use a little bit of this interior detail stuff on here. Hello, there we go. And I gotta say, I don't understand where this came from. I have no idea where this came from. What just happened? I guarantee, like, can you see? Okay, yeah, I don't know. Hey, I'm gonna have to go back in the video, but I don't think that was originally there. What? Oh. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Because I'm wanting to get some isopropyl alcohol, wipe all of this down, and respray it. That's not gonna end up matching with this, but yeah, I mean, honestly, it's not gonna match. I'm just gonna have to be okay with that. I mean, that matches. As long as it's the same type of tone, I think it'll be okay. And all this in here, but it'll be fine. I'm thinking the next thing that we should end up tackling, I'm probably gonna show you guys what it looks like whenever we get our new wheels and tires on. This is definitely gonna be a longer video. I know that for a fact, because a lot of these clips so far, I mean, they're getting edited for sure, most likely condensed as much as possible, but I don't know, like they're around 9-10 minutes each. I do want to go ahead and show you guys what the car sounds like stock right now. I'm not going to start it right now. I'm just going to insert a clip of what it looked like before the car got washed and everything, just to accentuate basically how much better it looks. So, you know what I'll do? I'll come back here real quick. I'll come back here, and then this is where I set it up last time. So